Math 7, Unit 4, Percent and Proportion, Lesson 6, Part 1. Tax and discount. Find the new cost, find the original cost. We'll learn how to do both in this video. Okay, so let's compare some discounts first as an introduction. The same pair of sneakers are on sale at 3 stores. Which one is the best buy, and explain? Well, with 40% off of a $45 pair of sneakers, we would first need to find the amount of discount, which is going to be 40% times 45. 40% times 45. I get $18 off. So we will take the $45 and subtract the $18 discount. And that will be after the discount, that's a $27 pair of sneakers. On the second store, it looks like they're doing 49% or $49 at 50% off. So $49 times 50% off is $24.50 off. If you take 49 minus the $24.50, interestingly, you get $24.50. And that should make sense. If you get half off, you pay the other half. So far that is the best deal, but let's check the last one. The regular price is $39, and we can get up to 70% off. So 0.7 times 39 is $27.30. If we take the $39 and subtract off the $27.30, 39 minus $27.30, that's $11.70. The best deal by a long shot is the third store with the 75 or 70% off. A discount is a decrease in the original price of an item, as we saw there. And there you calculate the percent, then you subtract it off. Markup. To make a profit, stores charge more than what they pay. The increase from what the store pays to the selling price is called a markup. Markup's kind of like the opposite of a discount. You'd find the percent and then add it to the price rather than subtract. So I can use percents to calculate sales tax, markups, and discounts. So a little bit of vocabulary. Sales tax is the cost added to the purchase price. Okay, that sales tax is added to the purchase price by the government, so they get a little bit of money there. Discount is a decrease in the purchase price to give you an incentive to buy it. A markup is an increase to the purchase price, and that is put there by the company so that they can make some money. It's made for profit. So basically, you're going to calculate the percent of the original and then add or subtract it from the original. You will add for markup and sales tax. You will subtract for discount or markdown. The original price of the shorts is $35. What is the sell price? Okay, first we need to find 25% of $35. This can be done either with the percent proportion or the percent equation. I'll go ahead and demonstrate with the proportion first. It's a $35 pair, and we need to figure out how much the discount is. Cross multiplying here, we get 875 equals 100x. When you divide by 100, you get $8.75 is the amount of discount. So you take $35 and subtract the 875. So $35 minus 875 of the discount gives you a price of $26.25. Doing the percent equation does work out, in my opinion, a little bit better. We would find 25% of 35, and we get to it quite a bit quicker with the percent equation. A store pays $70 for a bicycle. The percent of markup is 20%. What is the selling price? Okay. On that one, let's first find the amount of discount by doing 20% of 70. And it looks like it is $14 for a discount. We take $70, take the $14 off, and we have a $56 bike after the discount is applied. The original price of a skateboard is $50. The sell price has a 20% discount. What is the sell price? First, we find out the discount. Maybe I use D for discount. The discount is going to be 20% times 50. Well, that is precisely $10. So you take the $50 skateboard, subtract $10 from it, and now it is a $40 skateboard after the 20% discount. Okay, that was all about calculating the new amount. Now, if you need to calculate the original amount, given the percent of change in the new amount, for a decrease, you need to subtract your percentage from 100 and do the percent of the number. You know, the new is the percent of the original, and you can use the percent equation or the percent proportion. I recommend the equation. For increase, you would add your percentage to 100% of the number, and you do the percent of a number problem. So let's do an example of this. A jewelry store sells a diamond ring for $600. This includes a 275% markup. What did the jewelry store pay for the diamond ring? All right, let me actually explain this with an equation. Let's make X is what the jewelry store paid. So X is what the jewelry store paid. Now, when they did that, they increased it by 275%. So that's like from the percent equation, 275% of X would be 2.75X. And when they did that, they gave the final price of $600. Now, what I explained on that previous page is you will, for an increase, you will add 100% to it, which 275% plus 100% is 375%. So you are actually paying 375% of the original price. Now we can, using the percent proportion or percent equation, we can divide both sides by 3.75 here. And this will give us the original price that the jewelry store paid before they marked it up. And that is $160. So the jewelry store paid $160. Now, I'd like to explain how this is done also using the percent proportion. You would have to start out with, since it is a markup, you've got your 100% and you're going to mark it up 275%. So before you start, you do need to know this 375%. That is what you are going to pay. 375% of the original is $600. So $600 is 375% of the original price. And this would be the setup using the percent proportion. 600 is the sell price, X is the original price, and it is 375% of whatever the original was. And then when we cross multiply and solve here, 600 times 100 is 60,000, and that equals 375x. You can go ahead and divide by 375 on both sides. And x equals 160, just the same as we got over here. What's the original price of these shoes? A pair of shoes is sold 40% off and is now $33. What's the original price? All right, because it is sold at 40% off, you are paying 60%. So 40% off means 60% paid. It's better to pay 60% of a price than have to pay the 100% of the price. So 60% of the price is $33. So using the percent proportion, that would be the setup. You could say that $33 is 60% of X, and that would be the percent equation setup. Both of these will give the same answer. On the percent equation, 3,300 equals 60x, and you divide by 60. And x equals 3,300 divided by 60, which is 55. So the original price was $55. If you do it with the percent equation, you also get 55. Either way, the original price of the shoes was $55. The discount on a DVD is 50%. It is on sale for $10. What was the original price? So on this, we start with 100%, and if we subtract the 50% discount, we are left paying 50%. So we just need to know $10 is 50% of the original price. As a percent proportion, we would use this setup, and it'll give you the same answer. When I divide by 0.5 here, I get X is 20. Originally, the DVD was $20. A store pays $75 for an aquarium. The markup is 20%. What is the selling price? Now on this, we have the original price on this one. It's when we don't have the original that we have to do the 100% plus or 100% minus. So this one we can do the regular way. 20% of 75, well that's $15. And then we're going to add that on to the price, and we get a $90 aquarium. All right, here's a problem to get you to think. What would you rather pay? Explain your reasoning. Let's do these one at a time. Would you rather pay 6% tax on a discounted price or 6% tax on the original price? Well, think about this. A discounted price is going to be less. 6% of a smaller number is going to be better than 6% of the original number. So I would rather pay 6% on the discounted price. What about 30% markup on a $30 shirt or a $30 markup on a $30 shirt? Okay, well actually $30 markup on $30 shirt, that's 100%. That doubled the price. This is much better because that would only be $9 of increase. A $39 shirt is better to have to pay for than a $60 shirt. All right, our original price, $112. Our discount would be 32%. What's the sellable price? Since we have the original here, we can just do it the normal way. We're going to do 32% of 112. That is our discount. Let's use D for discount. So our discount, 0.32 times 112, and that's $35.84. And we are going to subtract that from 112. And that gives $76.16. So the selling price is $76.16. All right, the original price is missing. It's a 64% discount, and the sell price is $72. So we need to start by figuring out how much you actually pay. And it looks like you actually have to pay 36% of the price. So $72 is 36% of the original price. If we divide both sides by 36%, 72 divided by 30.36 is 200. So the original price was $200 before it was discounted. All right, if we have a $90 original price and $67.50 for the new sell price, find the percent discount. This is just a percent of change problem. So first you would take 90 minus 67.5, and that would be $22.50, and divide it by the original amount. So $22.50 divided by 90 is 0.25. So this is a 25% decrease or a 25% discount. The cost to the store of an MP3 player is $60. The selling price is $105. A classmate says that the markup is 175% because 105 over 60 is 1.75. Is your classmate correct? If not, explain how to get the correct percent of markup. Well, the classmate is actually not correct. You are paying 175%, but that 175% includes the original price plus a markup to get 175%. So it's actually a 75% markup. So no, it is actually 75% markup.